Amazon is getting sued. This little project of Jeff Bezos that started with this guy in a tiny office has turned into a company with over 1 million employees.
This is truly incredible.
And it's pushing its way into retail stores and even opening up a hair salon. So what exactly is the problem here? A government entity claims that Amazon is breaking the law because it's unfairly crushing competition. Amazon represents 40% of all e-commerce sales in the US, and that's expected to rise to 44% this year. Something similar is happening to Google and Facebook, where they're being scrutinized and basically being told, you're just too big, how is someone supposed to compete? And remember, there are laws against this because that's considered a monopoly. Here's the issue. Smaller merchants who sell on Amazon might sell their products for cheaper on their own website or another site like Walmart. And they're claiming that if they do sell their products for cheaper somewhere else, then Amazon will punish them by lowering their search ranking, or even just messing with the user experience to make it harder for customers to want to buy their products. Amazon replied and basically said, well, yeah, if a product is not priced competitively, why would we rank it high? But let's face it, it's hard to sue these tech companies because these antitrust laws were written way before these tech companies existed. But what makes this time potentially different is that this new lawsuit claims that these practicing tactics are hurting the public, the same way railroads did in the 19th century by getting too powerful and unfairly raising prices on the customer. Amazon did $8 billion in the first quarter of this year. That's triple the amount that it did just last year. The company is still massively growing with zero signs of slowing down. So let me know in the comments, does Amazon need to be better regulated? Is it getting too big to the point where it's hurting us consumers? While you're at it, check out my trips to Amazon's new stores, subscribe to my channel, and find me on TikTok and Instagram at Uptin.